Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Pratama Dewantara and my study number is 145. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now I will tell you about reason a country needs to conduct international relations. Every country needs to conduct international relations with other countries. This is because every country cannot stand alone without assistance from other countries. International relation is an international human interaction either individually or in group which occur directly or indirectly. International relation can be friendship, dispute, hostility, or war. This morning, I will explain 4 reasons why a country engages in international relation. First, I will explain that international relation can be used to maintain world peace. Second, I will explain that international relation can be used to meet economic needs. Third, international relation can be used to solve global problems. And the last, international relations are useful for introducing culture to other countries. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. There are several reasons why every country needs to establish international relations. The first is to maintain world peace. Establishing international relations can prevent armed conflict or war between countries. State officials made an agreement so that there will be no armed conflict. Even if there is a problem, state officials will solve the problem in a good way and maintain peace. For example, after the United Nations or UN was formed, World War II ended soon and until now there has been no more World War. On the other hand, poor state relations can trigger war. An example occurred in the Middle East. The second reason is to meet the needs of the economy. Establishing international relations is not only to keep the peace of the world, but also to meet the needs of each other. Countries cooperate in the economic field to meet needs that do not exist or are difficult to obtain in their own countries. Forms of cooperation in the economic field such as import and export of goods. For example, Germany import cars to Indonesia, like Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and other, with an import value of 149.01 million US dollar. South Korea import electronic goods to Indonesia with import value reaching 9.08 billion US dollar. Meanwhile, Indonesia export palm oil to China, India, Pakistan, the Netherlands, Malaysia, and Singapore. International relations in the economic field also show which countries are the center of industrial power. For example, South Korea and Japan are the countries that export the most cars to various parts of the world. China is the largest exporter of electronics and Colombia is the largest exporter of coffee. The third reason is to solve global problems. International relations also need to encourage that all countries can work together to resolve global problems, such as pandemic COVID-19, environmental degradation, and so forth. This collaboration is not only in the form of sending aid, but also in the form of mutually reinforcing moral support and the provision of information. As in the current pandemic, many countries in the world are working together to solve this global problem. Countries that have sufficient technology and resources make vaccines to reduce the number of people exposed to this virus. Meanwhile, countries that cannot make vaccine will buy vaccine from countries that do. This collaboration is currently mutually beneficial. The vaccine producing country will get the process from the cell, while the buying country will get the vaccine, which will later be used to reduce the number of people exposed to this virus. The last reason is to introduce culture to other countries. International cooperation is also carried out in the field of culture. The goal is that the culture of a country is increasingly recognized globally. An example is the exchange of students to other countries. In addition, cultural exhibitions are also a form of international cooperation in the field of culture. International relations in the field of culture make people learn more about tolerance, which is also an important factor in world peace. In conclusion, every country must carry out international relations in order to meet the needs of their country, which cannot be obtained from within the country. In addition, relations between countries are also needed to introduce each other to culture so that every citizen can foster a sense of tolerance that is useful for maintaining world peace. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.